Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and this is your ICSE in one shot, and today we will be discussing about coordinate geometry, right? A very important topic. Lots of things we are going to study about this part. So let's start the part. Let's start the class. So before starting, once again, welcome to all of you students, and thank you so much for attending the session. And please do not forget to like the video. Let's start ahead. So first thing, if I'll talk about the coordinate geometry, whatever the simple things that we know, it has two axes. Both the axes are perpendicular to each other. X-axis, Y-axis. Whenever we plot any point, its coordinates are written in the form of x comma y. Okay, suppose if this coordinates point I need to find out, I will see, sir, x coordinate is equal to 4, y coordinate is equal to 2. So the point is 4 comma 2. If any point is present on x axis, its y coordinate will be equal to 0. If any point is present on y axis, its x coordinate will be equal to 0. And these are the four quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. The signs of the points which are here, both x and y are positive. Here x is negative, y is positive. Both x and y are negative, x is positive, y is negative, right? These are all the basics of coordinate geometry which you already know. X coordinate is also called abscissa, y coordinate is also called ordinate. ठीक है बेटा? The origin is the intersection point of both the axes. Okay, what is origin? Origin is intersection point of both the axes. Is called origin. Coordinates of a point on x-axis will be in the form of x comma 0. Y coordinate is 0. Any point on y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. Okay, got it? After that, reflection. Now let's come to the point of reflection. Beta, see, reflection part, if you understand it with the basics, very easy. Like the normal mirror image, so like the plane mirror reflection, how it works. Plane mirror reflection will be like, suppose if you have a mirror over here, okay, and if I keep an object over here which is at a distance of d from the mirror, then the image also will be formed at the distance d. So if it is point A, it will be A dash, right? All of us know this thing. So same thing will be followed over here also. We do three types of reflection. Okay, one is through the reflection through y-axis, reflection through x-axis and reflection through origin, right? So the transformation which maps the point P to P1 is called reflection. That means if a point P's image, we are looking in the, suppose this line AB is our mirror. We are looking at the mirror of image of P. So P's image will be P dash, whose coordinates say x dash y dash. So from P to P dash, this is called reflection. So transformation which will tell that how P to P dash is, we have got P to P dash, that is called reflection. Okay, then the line AB will be mirror, P dash will be the image of P. Now remember, whenever we will do the reflection along x-axis, whenever the reflection is being done along x-axis, suppose for this point over here, whatever is the distance, same distance must be over here. So the image is over here. So let's say it is A dash. You can clearly see x coordinate remains same. Whatever, suppose here the coordinates is x comma y. Here x coordinate will remain same, but y coordinate will be changed. So reflection under x axis, y coordinate changes the sign. Okay, then reflection under y axis, let's say this distance, whatever is this distance under y axis, same will be this distance over here. So this is the image. Now here, see, as you can see, y coordinate here is same, but x coordinate has become negative. So if we do reflection under x axis, y coordinate changes sign. If we do reflection under y axis, x coordinate will change its sign. After that, reflection under origin. If we do the reflection under origin, what does it mean? Suppose if I have a point over here which is x comma y. So see the distance of the point from the origin, and in the same line extend it till a point D. So here you will get the image. So if it is xy, definitely it is going to be minus x comma minus y. So both x and y will change the sign when you are doing the reflection in the origin. So these are the three kind of reflections you have. Okay, after that, invariant point. Invariant point are the points whose invariant points are those points whose image will have the same coordinates as the original point, right? So they do not have any changes in their after reflection. Even after reflection, the point's coordinate does not change. For example, this point 0, 5, if I do the reflection under y-axis, so 0, 5, if we will do the reflection under y-axis, we know beta, whenever we are doing the reflection under y-axis, x coordinate will change the sign, y coordinate will remain same. So y coordinate will remain 5, x will become minus 0. Minus 0 is what? Again 0 only. So coordinate remains same. Got it? So this part is very important. Invariant points beta. Any point on x-axis will be invariant when you are doing reflection under x-axis. Any point on y-axis will be invariant if you are doing the reflection under y-axis, and any point and origin is invariant under the reflection under origin. Okay? So remember this thing. If you are doing the reflection under y-axis, all the points on y-axis are invariant points. If you are doing reflection under x-axis, all the points on x-axis are invariant points. And if you are doing the reflection under origin, origin is the only point which is invariant under the reflection under origin. Okay, after that we will be learning about lot many things. So you already know the distance formula. If we have a point here x1 comma y1, and if we have a point over here x2 comma y2, so the distance between these 2 points is given as square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, beta? This is what is your distance formula. Okay, so this will be giving you your distance between the 2 points, right? All of you know this, just quickly revising it for you all. Now see, at least these one shot videos will be very helpful for you when you are going through the final revision. Just quickly watch the first starting 10-15 minutes, you will get everything. Got it? Section formula. If we have a point P which is dividing this line AB in the ratio m is to n, remember the ratio is taken in the form of AP upon PB. From A to P, P to B. If that ratio is m is to n, then the coordinates of P will be cross multiply m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n. Y coordinate will be m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. That is called your section formula. Midpoint formula is one step further. If this point P is the midpoint of AB, okay, then the ratio will be 1:1. Now use section formula over here. 1 into x1 plus 1 into x2 is upon 1 plus 1 is 2. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. After that, point of trisection. If you are having 2 points which is dividing a line in 3 equal parts, AP, PQ, QB, suppose all of them are equal to each other, then this point P, in what ratio P divides this line AB? Suppose you know the coordinates of A and B, and you have to find out the coordinates of the point P and Q. So what you will do, you will take this line like this. Okay, take this line like this. Suppose this is our A, this is B. We know their coordinates. We know their coordinates. I know the point P is somewhere over here. Don't forget that point Q is there or not. So AP will be equal to D, PB will be D plus D. See, PB will be D plus D, which is 2D. So the ratio over here, AP upon PB will be equal to D by 2D, which is 1:2. It is 1:2. Similarly, second part, this is A, this is B. Now the point Q is over here. I know QB is this time equal to D, AQ is equal to 2D. So this time AQ upon QB will be equal to 2D by D. D to D got cancelled, 2:1. Got it? So two different types you have to use section formula. First use for the point P section formula, then use for point Q the section formula. Okay? After that comes your centroid's coordinate for a triangle. For example, this is a triangle A, which is the coordinates are x1 comma y1. This is point B, whose coordinates are x2 comma y2. This is point C, whose coordinates are x3 comma y3. So you know centroid is the intersection point of all medians. What is centroid? Centroid is intersection point of all medians, all the 3 medians of a triangle. See how amazing it is. कि all the three medians of a triangle intersect at a common point. So all these are median. AP is a median, BQ is a median, CR is a median. They all are median. So P will be the midpoint of BC. So coordinates of BC, coordinates of point P, I can say using midpoint formula x2 plus x3 by 2, comma y2 plus y3 by 2. These are the coordinates of point P using midpoint formula. Now, one more thing better remember that the centroid divides all the medians in the ratio 2:1, where 2 is from the vertex to the centroid, that is 2, and from the centroid to the midpoint is 1. Okay, so we have a line over here A and P, and somewhere over here we have the centroid, which is denoted by G. Centroid's coordinate we need to find out. I know centroid divides it in the ratio 2:1. Coordinates of A are x1 comma y1. Coordinates of P are x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. So use section formula. X coordinate of the point will be of centroid 2 into x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1 into x1 divided by 2 plus 1. So it will be equal to, see, 2 to 2 got cancelled. X2 plus x3, 1 into x1 is x1. So numerator is x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this is the x coordinate. Similarly, y coordinate will be equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole divided by 3. Got it? This is how you will get the formula for the centroid. This is how you are going to get the formula for the centroid. Okay? These are your centroid formula. So this point is your G. Direct formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Alright? Now, equation of a line, if we will write beta, you know that line equation of a line is linear equation in two variables, right? You know that. So x-axis and y-axis we will be having over here in x and y. So remember this thing, every straight line can be expressed by a linear equation in two variables. Any point which satisfies the equation of a line lies on that line. For example, this equation is going over here. Now if I have some values of x and y which will satisfy this equation, suppose I have 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. I am saying you the value is x is equal to 3, put y equal to 1. I am giving you a point 3 comma 1. So 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1. 3 into 3 is 9 minus 2, which is 7. See, LHS and RHS are equal. That means 3 comma 1 satisfies this equation. So 3 comma 1 will also lie on the graph of this line, lie on the graph of the equation. As simple as that. Got it? Any point through which a line passes will always satisfy the equation of that line. Okay? Simple hai? If a point is, if the values of x and y satisfies a line, satisfies the equation, that means that point lies on the line. And if a point is lying on the line, it must satisfy the equation. It works both the ways. Right? Now, inclination of a line means what? It's a very simple thing. Inclination means angle of any line. The angle which a line subtends with x-axis. Remember, angle which a line subtends with x-axis, but remember the direction in anti-clockwise direction. In which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. This is very important. So a line, the angle that the line makes with the x-axis is called the inclination of line. The angle when measured in anti-clockwise direction. Okay? So that will be called. Okay, beta? Simple hai? Okay? Achha, if you are measuring it in anti-clockwise positive, if suppose you are keeping it between 0 to 90 only. So if you are measuring it anti-clockwise positive, and if you are measuring it clockwise, then it will be negative. But don't get confused. Simple, keep this thing anti-clockwise direction. You should measure. This will be confusing for you. Okay? Don't measure. Don't remember this. Only remember this thing. The measurement we will do in anti-clockwise direction. We are going to do the measurement in anti-clockwise direction. Don't get confused much. Next part, slope or the gradient. So slope, by whatever angle you have got, that measurement, the inclination, that theta's value at 10. So this tan theta is called your slope, denoted by n. Okay? So slope of x-axis making an angle with x-axis is what? 0 degree. So tan 0 degree is 0. Y-axis is perpendicular to x-axis. So tan 90, which is infinity, not defined. Okay. Now equation of a line, first form you have is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Now this, when you will use two things. One, when you know the slope of that line. Second thing, when you know the y-intercept. When you know the y-intercept of that line. What is y-intercept? That is, if I draw this line, at what point this line is going to intersect this y-axis? At what point this line is going to intersect this y-axis? This is called y-intercept. So y-intercept over here is B. If this we know, okay, if this we know, let's make it C. C कर देते हैं for equation purpose. ठीक है, for equation purpose make it C. So if we know this, so we can clearly write the equation in y is equal to slope into x plus the y-intercept. So slope will be m, y-intercept will be c. So these are the two things. If you know these two things, use this form. Requirement is very necessary. Whatever you know, according to that you have to choose the form. This is the form for which you need the slope and the y-intercept. Second form is your equation of line point slope form. Now see, previous one is clearly telling you this is the slope intercept form. Slope and intercept was needed. Here this is the point and slope form. That means you need the slope of the line as well as any one point lying on that line. Any one point lying on that line. So the form, so suppose the slope is equal to m and any one point lying on that line is let us say x1 comma y1. So the equation of the line will be y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1. Got it? Solve this equation, final form, you will get your equation form for the line. ठीक है बेटा? So this is all the basics. Now we'll move ahead and we'll solve some questions. But before I move ahead, let me tell you all one thing, that all of you who are willing to join Vedantu, and if you are facing some difficulty, that the difficulty like you are feeling like I still have time left but I'm not able to get proper guidance, all those things, if it is in your head, Vedantu is a very good choice for you right now, because all the classes, unlimited live classes you can attend as many classes as you want. It's all about you, how much you want to study. Students throughout the world will you, so you'll get to know more about where do you stand. Okay, even if you're watching the replays of the class, whenever if you have missed the class because of some reason, or even if you're revising it, you can still attend the quizzes in that revision class, in the replays of the classes as well. All the things which I'm going to teach you, those will be downloadable notes in my own handwriting, so you can understand every part and remember what I have taught at what time. Dedicated teacher for your doubt solving, test in a regular interval of time, assignments, everything will be shared with you, and also free crash courses and micro courses for any examination. Okay? So this is all. Remember, more classes, less price. So for the registration, link is mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as it will be the pinned comment in the comment section. Okay, and here the code is GPE Pro. GPE Pro, no, GP Pro, sorry, code hai GP Pro. Got it? Kya beta code? The code is GP Pro. So it is very important for you that if you feel that you are able to afford this, hai na, so better to go with this. It will be very helpful and a nice course at this point of time where you know that you require some guidance. So a very good step indeed. Right? Now let's start. आगे बढ़ते हैं. GP Pro है कोड बेटा. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ो. क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, जल्दी क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा सॉल्व. ठीक है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो बेटा. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन सेइंग? भाई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ये रिफ्लेक्शन का क्वेश्चन है, छोटा है, इजीली हो जाएगा. ठीक है, देखना ध्यान से. P and Q have coordinate 0,5 and -2,4. P का कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है बेटा? 0,5. Q का कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है? -2,4. ठीक है. P is invariant when reflection in an axis. Name the axis. So P is present on y-axis, and any point on y-axis will be invariant under reflection under y-axis. So what is the name of the axis? Y-axis. Second, B. Find the image of Q on reflection in the axis found in A. So Q's reflection under y-axis. So minus 2 comma 4 we have the reflection. We have to do the reflection under y-axis. So we know, let's say Q dash, it will be, by only thing minus 2 will become 2, y coordinate remains same. So the reflection of minus 2 comma 4 will become 2 comma 4. Third point C, 0 comma k on reflection in the origin is invariant. So 0 comma k on reflection in the origin, if we do the reflection under origin, we know this will become 0 comma minus k. But they are saying it is invariant. So k and minus k must be equal to each other. It is only possible when k is equal to 0. So the point is 0 comma 0. Or you also know that origin is the only point which is invariant under the reflection under origin. Fourth, write the coordinates of the image of Q obtained by reflecting it in the origin followed by reflection in the x-axis. Okay, remember. So first this Q minus 2 comma 4, we will be reflecting it in origin. So if we do the reflection under origin, this will be equal to 2 comma minus 4, right? 2 comma minus 4, and then this if we reflect under x-axis. So if we'll do it under x-axis, x coordinate will remain same, y coordinate will change the sign. So 2 comma 4, right? So this will be the coordinates of the point which will be reflected, this Q if we reflect it first through the origin and then through the x-axis. Got it, beta? So these are your simple question. देखो, reflection is a very easy topic, very easy topic. Okay, next question देखो. The midpoint of the line segment AB as shown in the diagram is C 4, minus 3. Write the coordinates of the point A and B. Now here you need to focus on this point. What is the main part, beta? By A and B, A is on x-axis. So its coordinates will be in the form of x, 0. B is on y-axis, so its coordinates will be in the form of 0, y. Right? So I can use midpoint formula because they have given C is the midpoint. So first thing I can clearly say, x coordinate x plus 0 by 2 is equal to 4. Shift 2 over there, x is equal to 8. So the point A coordinates will be 8, 0. Similarly, y plus 0 by 2 is equal to minus 3. Shift it over there, y is equal to minus 6. So coordinates of point B will be 0, minus 6. Done, 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 done. Right, diagram helped us a lot. Na? Okay, next question is this. A and B are two fixed points. Find the coordinates of a point P in AB such that 3PB equal to AB. Okay. Also find the coordinates of some other point Q in AB such that AB is equal to 6AQ. So it is nothing, it is just telling you to use the section formula. Okay, we have first case, let's take case 1. Okay, I have a line A, B. I have a line AB. A is 20, 10. B is 10, minus 20. We have a point P such that, what is given over here? 3 times of PB is equal to AB. So if I shift AB and PB over here, it will be equal to PB upon AB is equal to 1:3. But I have told you very clearly, we do not want the ratio of PB with AB. है ना, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए अपने को. I want the ratio of AP with PB. ठीक है, let's say this is the point P somewhere over here. So what I will do, beta, I'll do one thing. Let's do one thing. It will be equal to AB by PB is equal to 3/1. Subtract PB. So AB minus PB upon PB. So same thing we will be using over here, 3 minus 1/1. Correct? Is it clear? So AB minus PB will be equal to AP upon PB. The ratio is 2:1. Chalo. We got to know the ratio is what? 2:1. Let's find out the coordinates of P now. So x coordinate of P will be 2 into 10 plus 1 into 10. Sorry, 1 into 20 divided by 2 plus 1. So x coordinate will be equal to 20 plus 20 by 3. So x coordinate is 40/3. Okay, then y coordinate will be equal to 2 into minus 20. plus 1 into 10. Remember cross multiplication by 2 plus 1. So 2 into minus 20 is minus 40 plus 10 by 3, which is minus 30 by 3. So y is equal to minus 10, right? So the coordinates of point P, it will be equal to 40 by 3 comma minus 10. These are your coordinates of the point P. ठीक है, simple section formula we have used beta. Nothing else. P is what? 40 by 3 comma minus 40 by 3. 2 into minus 20 plus 1 into 0. Where is 0? Oh, why 0? I think the coordinates are given something. Typing mistake. Oh, acha, I have taken is 20 into 10 I have taken. Okay. I have taken this as into 10. So 2 into 10 plus 1 into, wait yaar, 2 into 10 plus 1 into 20. Acha, this is 20 comma 0 and I have taken it as 20 comma 10. ठीक है, that is a typing mistake, no problem. Okay, simple यार. If it is 0 then it will be something else. ठीक है, तो चलो, that is nothing यार, just I will saw that question wrong. So if it is 20 comma 0, this will be 2 into minus 20 plus 1 into 0. It will be into 0, so it will also be 0. So now instead of all this, it will be equal to minus 40 by 3. It will be equal to what? Minus 40 by 3. ठीक है, no problem यार. This much mistakes sometimes happens, right? है ना, हो जाती है, उतनी गलती तो यार हो जाती है. तो it is will be minus 40 by 3. चलो यार, इसको minus 40 by 3 कर लेते हैं. 40 by 3 को minus 40 by 3 हो गया. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं बेटा. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी देख लो. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, तुम्हारे पास में पॉइंट ए आ गया, दूसरा तुम्हारा पॉइंट बी आ गया. यहाँ पे पॉइंट ए रहा ये वाला 20,0, पॉइंट बी रहा ये वाला 10, minus 20. अब यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है कि ए बी इज इक्वल टू 6 टाइम्स ऑफ ए क्यू. ए बी इज इक्वल टू 6 टाइम्स ऑफ ए क्यू बोल रहा है. ठीक है, तो बेटा यहाँ पे मैंने बोल दिया कि सर अगर मैं इंटरचेंज करूंगा तो ए क्यू बाय ए बी मेरे को क्या मिल जाएगा, विल बी इक्वल टू 1:6. करेक्ट है. तो ए क्यू अपॉन ए बी माइनस ए क्यू विल बी इक्वल टू 1/6 minus 1. So AQ upon, let's say Q is over here. So AB minus AQ will be equal to QB is equal to 1/6 minus 1 is 5. तो रेशियो मिल गया बेटा. क्या मिल गया रेशियो? 1:5. Find the coordinates. X coordinate of point Q will be 1 into 10 plus 5 into 20. Oh, 5 into 20 divided by 1 plus 5. So 5 into 20 is 100 plus 1 into 10 is 110 by 6, and y coordinate will be equal to 1 into minus 20 plus 5 into 0 divided by 1 plus 5, which is equal to minus 20 by 6. So these will be your Q's coordinate. You can further simplify this. Okay, it will become 55 by 3 and minus 10 by 3. So that is further answer, right? 55 by 3 minus 10 by 3. Simple simplification ahead. But this is just nothing but a question of section formula, nothing hi-fi. ठीक है, next question देखो. In the figure given below shows two straight lines AB and CD intersecting each other at point P. दोनों लाइंस जो है बेटा, both the lines जो है वो दोनों intersect कर रही है point P पे, जो कि है 3,4 पे है. फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ ए बी एंड सी डी. ए बी और सी डी की इक्वेशन बताओ, तुमको ये बोल रहा है. अब देखो यहाँ पे हमको क्या क्या पता है, उस पर नोटिस करोगे तो तुमको पता चल जाएगा क्या क्या मिलना है हमको. ठीक है, अब देखो मेरे को दोनों लाइन के लिए बेटा, अगर मैं ध्यान से सोचूंगा तो मुझे दोनों लाइन के लिए एंगल पता है. ए बी का एंगल 45 डिग्री है, सी डी का एंगल 60 डिग्री है. तो अगर मुझे थीटा पता है तो टेन थीटा भी मिल जाएगा. तो मतलब मुझे एक तो स्लोप पता है, एक तो मुझे स्लोप पता है. देन मेरे को ये भी पता है कि दोनों लाइंस 3,4 से निकलती हैं, तो मेरे को पॉइंट पता है. तो ऑब्वियसली विच फॉर्म आई विल बी यूजिंग, आई विल बी यूजिंग स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म. स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म. ठीक है, तो टेक द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ P एज x1, y1. तो पहली लाइन अपना AB के लिए लेते हैं. लेट्स मेक द इक्वेशन फॉर द लाइन AB. सो वी नो द इक्वेशन इज, क्या होती है बेटा हमारी इक्वेशन, क्या बनती है, x1, y1 से पास हो रही है और लाइन तुम्हारा क्या है एंगल थीटा कितना 45 डिग्री। तो हमको पता है बेटा y माइनस y1 इज इक्वल टू m टाइम्स ऑफ x माइनस x1। अब देखो y माइनस y1 कितना है 4 इज इक्वल टू m tan थीटा, ए बी के लिए एंगल 45 डिग्री, तो tan 45 डिग्री इज 1, सो 1 इंटू x माइनस x1, सॉरी यार x1 is what 3 na, let me write 3, okay, x minus 3. So you have got y minus 4 is equal to x minus 3. If you want you can shift this y over there, minus 3 over there, okay, so you will be getting y x shift over there, minus y is equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So you can say x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the final equation. This will be the final equation for you, x minus y plus 1. Just interchanging I have done, nothing else, okay, कोई हाई फाई नहीं है. Shift y over there, so x minus y, minus 4 over here, so minus 3 plus 4 is 1. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Equation of the line AB. How do I got this 1? Because the slope of the line AB is tan 45 degree and it is equal to 1. ठीक है, ओके. नेक्स्ट पार्ट सेम लाइन के लिए बेटा आप करेंगे CD के लिए. तो फॉर द लाइन CD y माइनस y1 इज 4 इज इक्वल टू m. अब देखो tan 60 क्या होता है बेटा, √3 इंटू x माइनस x1 इज 3. सो y माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू √3x माइनस 3 √3. सो फाइनली यू हैव गॉट द इक्वेशन एज √3x माइनस y माइनस 3 √3 प्लस 4 इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, y shifted over here minus y, minus 4 shifted here become plus 4. So this is how your equation. So you just need to focus on the question and just think that what form will be used here, what are the given information to me, and according to that you will get your answer. Got it? Let's move ahead. Next question, listen very carefully. Write down the equation of the line whose gradient is 3 by 2. अब देखो gradient is nothing but slope only, okay? So those who don't know, gradient means nothing but slope. So directly they have given the slope is 3 by 2 and which passes through P, where P divides the line, DP divides the line segment joining A and B in the ratio 2:3. ठीक है, अब देखो क्या बोल रहे हैं बेटा, you need to first find out the equation of a line whose slope is given and also it is given that it passes through the point P. But instead of giving you the coordinates of point P, they have told you that P divides the line segment A and B in the ratio 2:3. So simply one extra step is given to you. That is, first find out the coordinates of P and then use the form. So I will first find out the coordinates of P, that is point A. Here is your point B. A is minus 2, 6. B is 3, minus 4. And point P is dividing it in the ratio 2:3. Let's find out the x coordinate of point P. So x coordinate of point P will be 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus 2 divided by 2 plus 3. 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. So 6 minus 6 by 5, which is equal to 0. 0 by 5 is what? 0 only. Y coordinate will be equal to 2 into minus 4 plus 3 into 6 divided by 2 plus 3. 2 into minus 4 is minus 12. Sorry, 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 plus 3 6 are 18 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. So 10 by 5, which is equal to 2. So coordinates of point P is what? 0, 2. This is the coordinates of the point P. Now I know there is a line, okay, whose gradient slope is 3 by 2 and it is passing through the point 0, 2. Suppose some point over here 0, 2. Okay, let's say this is how x and y axis are here. X axis, y axis. So equation of this line. So I know the slope, I know the point form. I can say y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Point P we know. So y minus y coordinate is 2 is equal to m is 3 by 2 into x minus x1 is 0 only, minus 0. Shift 2 over there. So 2y minus 4 is equal to 3x. So you will finally get the equation as 3x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. 3x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. This is your final equation. 3x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Got it? So p is 0, 2, coordinates is 3, the line is 3x minus 2y plus 4. ठीक है बेटा? So this is what is overall given in your chapter coordinate geometry. I hope all of you understood this. Starting part, please, whenever you are doing revision, just come to this video, just watch starting 15-20, then start solving the question. You will never stop anywhere. ठीक है बेटा? So as I was telling you earlier, if you are feeling like you need some guidance over here, all of you are more than welcome to join Vedantu's Pro Subscription course. The link is mentioned in the description box as well as it is the pinned comment. तुम्हारा कूपन क्या रहेगा बेटा? GP Pro किसके लिए? 20% ऑफ के लिए. ठीक है? जैसे इस पे जाओगे GP Pro लगाओगे, ये तुम्हारा प्राइस है 1 मंथ के लिए, ये प्राइस है 3 मंथ्स के लिए. याद रखना, अगर 3 मंथ्स के लिए जा रहे हो तो प्राइस पर मंथ जो होता है ना बेटा, वो थोड़ा कम हो जाता है, तो वो तुम्हारे लिए बेटर रहता है. दूसरी बात ये है कि ये जो प्राइस है, इट इज इंक्लूसिव ऑफ ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स, मैथ्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, SST, इंग्लिश, सब कुछ इंक्लूडेड है. ठीक है? तो बहुत अच्छी डील है. तुम्हारी पर क्लास की जो प्राइस है वो भी देख लो, काफी कम पड़ जाती है इफ यू आर टेकिंग 6 क्लासेस एवरी डे. तो बहुत अच्छी डील है. दोस्त जो भी अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, वेलकम बेटा सब लोगों को ज्वाइन करने के लिए. ठीक है? तो बस यही है. इसी के साथ में वन शॉट वीडियो जो है कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का, दैट इज ओवर. एंड आई होप कि सबको अच्छा लगा होगा. इजी टॉपिक है, अगर समझ लोगे तो ज्यादा डिफिकल्टी नहीं आता है. और अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आना तो विजुअलाइज करना सीखो, बिकॉज कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में विजुअलाइज करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है बेटा? तो वही है, शेयर करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में, लाइक करो वीडियो को एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल इफ यू आर न्यू हियर. थैंक यू सो मच बच्चा, मिलते हैं वापस. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, सायोनारा, खुदा हाफिज टू ऑल ऑफ यू. बाय बाय.